Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you all drive modes on the following car. So all I need to do right now is open the settings. So let's start by using the home screen, swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. So the settings are with the car icon, of course in that case is GLB. Choose here the second tab, which is vehicle. Select here dynamic select, and here you've got the dynamic select functions that you can use. One of them is drive. So if you tap a drive, you can switch between eco, comfort and sport. This adjusts the engine and transmission response. In comfort, the car prioritizes smooth gear change and fuel efficiency. You can use eco to even more fuel efficiency, or you can use sport to have like this immediate answer from your car to have as much response car as possible. In my case, comfort is the best choice for me, so I will choose comfort. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.